Do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by I Love Nail Polish, and we'll be doing an unboxing, review, and swatching. The colors that we're going to be reviewing today is Cameo, which is a color shift. Birefringence, which is also a color shift. Aria, which is a holographic. Misbehaving, which is a scattered holographic. And Black Orchid, which is a finer holographic scattered. And now that we have them unboxed, I'll let you look at them in the jars. The color shift is absolutely amazing. You can see all the different colors in them. And as you see, the packaging and the labeling is definitely thought out. The name of the company on the bottom even is in a holographic. And the caps are rubber gripped, so they're definitely really comfortable. To do the swatching, and you're going to see that some of them are more translucent and some of them are more opaque on the first coat. I'm going to do a total of 3 coats and show you the difference between each of them so that you can see that they are, both the effects and the colors are buildable. You can have them as translucent or as opaque as you want them to be, really, and as much glitter or as much color shift as you want as well. It builds up very nicely. I did notice that the 2 darker colors were a little bit streakier on the first coat, which was resolved when I did add a second and third coat to them, but you'll see. If you're wondering what's on my left hand, that was in my video from last Friday. I'll go ahead and pin the video to the top corner. going on to coat number 2, and I'll just let you watch through this. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm putting on a second coat of polish, and we'll see for the review after the second coat. And as you see, after the second coat, some of them are still translucent while others are pretty opaque. Absolutely stunning these colors are. Comment down below which one is your favorite so far. And I did show it with both the light on and off so that you can see the difference in the color shift and the holographic effect. I absolutely love it. Look at that. And this is only after 2 coats. Now on to coat number 3. Of the 3 holographics, I believe that this pink is my favorite. What about you? And of the 2 color shift colors, even though this one took the most to build up, I believe that I do like the effects of this one the best. Which one of the 2 color shifting colors do you like the best? Of course, I have to add my favorite top coat. This is the Le Chat Perfect Matte top coat, and it comes with both the gel and the regular polish version of the top coats. Their polishes are also the same. It comes with both a regular polish and a gel polish. have it, the final results. Look how beautiful these are. The holographic is amazing. The color shift is amazing. And I'm glad that I had the opportunity to test these. I will definitely be ordering some more to do more swatches. Look at these. Love them. And I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks again for watching. See y'all later.
Baby, how you feeling?